Alright, morning time, Sunday morning now. Lumberjack I represent again. I grab some barbecue fried chicken, rice and peas, coconut juice, yeah. Alright. See barbecue fried chicken. Alongside we have some spices, we have some carrot, Irish, onion, and pepper. So we chop on chicken now. Alright. Now we're going to turn it up. Alright, like this is the one side now. Alright. Going to put down the peas, keep on pressure down. Alright, so Lumberjack I represent. Please go to my page on YouTube. Jamaican cooking with Lumberjack. So please subscribe and like and share. Same to my Instagram page, same here, Lumberjack. And same to the Facebook page, Lumberjack. Alright, so Sunday morning time. Up top setting, 7 time rise, not believing in the falling thing. I'm gonna to see chicken and french fry now. I don't have some barbecue fried chicken here, you know. Alright, and feed that pressure down. Alright, my peeps, see what I go on there. French fried chicken and french fry, some barbecue fried chicken. Alright. Alright, see peas down. Alright, I go boil. So I say, spice up and thing there now. I go boil up but down, don't pressure and things. See fry plant on the side there. See spice there. You don't know some barbecue fried chicken and Lumberjack I represent. Alright, my peeps, see what I go on for barbecue fried chicken, you know. So stir it up, you know. You see what I go on the barbecue fried chicken, you know. Is it? Alright. Yeah, man. Chicken spice up and pretty, man. Alright. So I go on the rice and peas pot, you know. Alright, the rice and peas, they are steamed down. Alright. Lumberjack I represent. Yeah, so the barbecue fried chicken ready there. Well, spice up and pretty. Rice and peas there. Well, shelly down, both looking, you know. Out of bad. Lumberjack I represent my son there. Yeah, Lumberjack, dinner time. Barbecue fried chicken, well, spice up and ready. Rice and peas, shelly down, fried plantain on the side. See, Irish and carrot night there. Well, spice up and nice. I eat man a Lumberjack I represent my son there. 7 time rise, and I believe in I fall into. Big up Father God first and everything. Big up the sexy body girl and see me. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, Jamaica Cooking with Lumberjack. Please share the like button, notification,